nyina wo Yesu Kristo din mu minim sese de me ho ye na sanso na woni a ho ye fra woni na ka kire woni ase abawa oba ya asanto a wona bedafo ene efiada bo wo yiri bo bibi tim bibi ene fiada efia ba ye de yie se de yie ka asema no be busa sare na mbe asem papa bi amati oye asha ase Mrs. Abigail Duncan. Le man ba ko e shara kam ye Mr. Cat no. Ye fia ye die no. Obia nim aha. Mrs. Abigail Duncan ene yakopon de mfie ba ko aka ni mfie ho. Enti happy birthday. So ene ma celebrate ni papa to the nonsense point. Auntie Abigail, Eradin Shroud. If ba ko de aka won fie ho yi on siesie o sa akola afoforo ate o ma anya young girl kra na onyi yare bia mfiri wo mu na serade koroi enye de ya e kofom a be say ye be celebrate you pa eno de ye be twie na ase angasa ye be twie na ase erade nshrawo eti adwumi e koma Auntie Abigail o sikani ni aba ye kanadi e Japan akompra kunua ba authority nonsense send me abema so ati aha ti Auntie Abi fa oyesa oyede da for obetim dia sawate aha era say yanko we never give no na only him be better na so the station your neighbors listen to whether they want to or not. I'm already what did they come about. One of your patrons. Okay, patrons no. Yan fani ni agro. Auntie Abi. Guy. Hey. Mummy am body e kwati ase. Oye baby I don't be kwati ase. The station your neighbors listen to, whether they want to or not. I'm already what did they come what day I suppose Auntie Abi, your boy and you know at the mao, and na your birthday. Aye, ain't no. About Radio UK. Unta about radio dear. E one I would see, one tia won't see baby. So, ain't about Radio UK. Mijina, about radio phone na nemu. Yanya Juma, original DJ Mugabe. Nana, I didn't fikumani. Oh, and I didn't fikumani. Now some back on them. Minko. I don't know how you. Ene abenga na ya bi kubani sta bi ga mesre wa o wasam kro ha ena masache sa akode so ene mi ankasa me so ya ma happy birthday enti no ene wa hoda erade ongo suni o nhira o ya ni atiefo nyina ba radio UK atiefo de onim say worldwide ya ni wo mu nyina ya ma happy birthday. And now share Women's Wing and the MPP official platform so Amansan FM platform so Facebook baby Emma on my FM phone so ma happy birthday. Hey, yes baby. What the first? And enjoy yourself to the max.
UK's finest station.
Ya de no akogu. Se ne atie se kwantimpo no. Anti ebenya Omar Farouk. Ewo ahoma ne so. De benya Omar Farouk. Ewo ahoma ne so. Na eni enua ba ma Omar Farouk. Ba bedin komo. Ba bedin komo afa friend saying enra o hwe sika samso. Honorable Ken Oforiata. Ekọ ma se bedwam. Edite say ye nyina kogu ho. Onya mpie kra na ndisifo asase de ye propaganda. Ndisifo na ade. Onya mpie no na ndisifo asase de ye propaganda. Mesi afi mo propaganda no yanto. Nanado. Chese o mamo handicap kra na wa wini. Odo pa na do nka se abane e beto no yanti se nto on fama ndisifo still a oda wini. Ti munya mo propaganda nsem no. Na memwo na His Excellency na Adanko Akufo-Addo ene mpanyimfo ogu no. Enye ye fon yare o. We di obia hu bi, obia hu bi. Ti andisifo se mu ni asam ka. Enu a che se ebubu omo ama na hwe ba bia omo de omo ni akosi. Omo de omo ni akosi one district. Say one district one factory and I'm fine kusi and a private or yeah ba can say. Ya be ko Omar Farouk wo. Ba o mi anu aketwa. Wa bensa me bra pani. Na obe chirechiri mu kakra ma yen. Masarti sa ko de nso ba ya beka. E Japan France de ne de ba be bom. Mu amaka nso mo de ba be bom. Ama etiefu ehun se enya asam ketwa. Ene ne ma e ko so no. E ba sensensam so ya chirem wa haye. Emra papa matia mi du ono nso de krata ba abonten. Se de entia wo to ne nsa e ba se no. Emu ba do. Emu ba ya te. Mame ko Omar Farouk wo. Mame ko mana baba. Omar Farouk o ti men kan mo kwa baba radio UK. Umu ni se dwuma ni so.
Mama me de yesu ehia na ebo abaso. Me Friday ka nipa from Monday nunca brainy idea woman nke bi anka also juju ho baby then so de Ghana da wakoma so that the development of the nation a priority ni ade ni ntita bia no oba fidie ne so se obema ya church Ghana for nsemu a ekoso na ye hwehwemu no so na nye se ye chiremu akwa se be ya ye bi abanyuma kama kasiya when any so our Ghana for no na Ghana for apiasie na politics na ye no crew no ni penina who say no kwedi ni bu o man na de no kwedi bu o man a tabi o man no so enya no ntuma pa ifra nti na kwan so a no say nyumrei wati aba na wahwie nsem na gu wahwie nsem na emu edu agu ho pa na enum ni so ye de be sha afie na it has the topical one or agenda no so ye budget no ho nsem no ibedi ka tie free budget no ho near the akwa pen official government one as say a year prosecutor no it me identify and say you wura John Mahama ye nyina ya bi en sabo yan kokoso asem ba no obi a say official government one you see you elected UK court and say or elected government official na onim sa Adam no enti no say or elected official na your busa who say Ghana no one na elected official or by more no executive decisions o make any over your friend John Mahama enti ye bonidin say Ghana ye bodin e de shen komo na if you two nya kire nipa woyo ya bonidin so no na ye official government one it is also a contest ya onko court a almost so the nkrata adokwa akoto no ho na onyina no onamo a obonto ano onyi ano na yehu se oye bema akukudroni se de yewura na adodankwa Akufo-Addo kukudroni ultimate and session of Bosso say, see na me na see na Ubian Timinka say, nipa say na me or also you be my mama. The best for budget, if we are near the Aquaco Sisa and say on the sidelines, na Yehu Papa no, the Subai, and you be a Utu Alamon Pefegana for to Abamano, mama. Now, and say, your co budget in what your cap budget dear, la dear. They binding kuta bua or the bua of mine. Now on the sideline, and some were beating me up here, no cacre, bino. Then 2 days ago, at the KCBC war, UK Hapa, na your Boga, your 2 months the Ghana for. I say 3 days ago, what is Papa, your friend of Mike Pompey. Our America Secretary of State,
yes,
or by UK Hanomo, and the UK buying ABD in Kutaho Kakra. Na me catch so Segana, I am Yeshirani and Papanum penning for Bobra, Bob Ghana, or Momo, Fat Dears Dumbumua, Bessie, or my Penico Fosso. Now share penny for me, ma, or my warm, so Bobra, Papa, I can't warm Bobra. And yes, I brana, a creep and root and share maybe you. But one more or Bobra, who should be mensa, and a pania tobacco yanidia. Mama, the Babaco Ghana, a friend Herbert Mensa. Nankufu be say you will need near you, Kuma, a friend of Bernard Mensa.
Wow.
Papano, position at Kutan would reassert the free United States Bacano, a Yasem Ketua, Uko USA, I mean, UK ha.
But Mensa, no, I former Kotokoina.
I say Ghana Robino, Ukutamuno, I mean, Ron Seba, Kudi Agro Kakra, and also so, and won't some years, you know, and no, Lumia and Mensano. Mama, your organization be your friend of fixed income as a trading asset. It's all more Modisica, a bigger, any idea. Mapano, Asia, any Africa, any Middle East, or no, the president, or no, that side in Kunano, the company who are or Motina far, Jane, Nubu, Yasupo, Ukuta, and Kunta. Na obobua aban ma aban sikasem esukọ enimu a odimu ntente mapa na ura ma Pompey ne baaye no ono ni obi a the whole Africa o mama the whole Africa na ohwe foreign secretary a wo ha a your friend Dominic Raab na o share mu a oni ma Pompey ni share ye ye to nsafre Bernard no ma ne tina meeting ni mu bi.
Wow.
Enti eno chireo na ufi se ye bubudi ye bose Bernard Mensa Ghana ni bani ono na ekuo no di animu ne fa sika ye di trading wo stock exchange mu eni ade East Africa fa Africa na be fa Ghana nyina na be fa Middle East one mo bai no no di animu na omo hwe so the Britain will be free cool no. The crime ben now, you bet me a fancy a trade, a bit me a coso, me a tour sa after ni particular to say no okuta, ni mind franca, project the image of our country.
I say, I
na Sanya money in a coso na over peninsula catty soda, or so a baby hospital, or Eastern region home. You can buy say, baby, you show me some man kosa. No more than 54 million pounds. She came with COVID-19. Sandy says she can't buy Sabine. Say, and she had no pa. The says she came, then she say, yeah, we so person with the year Sahara Regional Hospital, no, Fashimu, na hospital, no, so, and Kanko. Nina, if you say, you will teach you Biblia, or more bigger than Numa, or more projected the image of our country, named Tibia, a Korea, say Joshua, or mine, a Yisham. Now, mine, I'm with us, a Yisham into Ubia, or Peppa, so then a bit butter by no. na sɛbi yɛbɔ Ghana din a na ɔmo nso so yɛde ɔmo din ayɛ bɛn abɛbɔ ta ho bi nti ɛnoa na ɛkɔ so wɔ bɛyɛ 3 days ago ɛwɔ ha no yɛno nso so mu results a ɛbɛfiri mu aba no ɛbaa yɛde bɛto afidie so na Ghanafoɔ nyinaa hunu sɛ na mu a aban tuo ne wɔn pepa so wɔn bɛhwɛ aban yi asɛn etuo no ɛnyɛ family and friends government ne ɛwɔ mu yɛ o ɛyɛ nkurɔfoɔ a wɔn yɛ titiri a wɔn mu bi a wɔn yɛ sɛ wɔn de Ghana din ɛbɛkɔ nkan no wɔn na ɛhyɛ ɛkɔ so Ghana nyinaa no wɔn taa akyire wɔn a ɛsɛ media review ɛne ɛkɔyɛ wɔ parliament no na yɛka mid in the term na baby Ghana for nkyɛnmu mu a ɛwɔ mu a ne sɛ aban programs a yɛkɔ 4th Republican Constitution no mu no aban pɛ sɛ ɔde sika ɛyɛ biribi a anaasɛ aban baabi aban pɛ sɛ ɔkɔgye sika firi biara no aban kɔ parliament na ɔde nsɛm kɔto parliament anim na parliament ɛtwa sika ɛma no do bɔ ɔman no ho bra na da biara ɔkɔyɛ saa beginning of the year na aya na ɔwɔ ade a yɛfrɛ no sɛ 9-month data ti sɛ bosome nkono data kuta no ɛno mu na ɔde yɛ saa budget no nti wofi sɛ yɛdu September no mu wia na sɛ ɛyi data no kuta no a ɔde yɛ nhyehyɛeɛ de kɔto parliament de kɔgye sika no ne sɛ saa data no mu ɛyi no nyinaa asa na te sɛ new data development records any mobilization any BBR no oni saa adeɛ no kopim sɛ year no ɛbɛndi tie basa no a ɔde saa midterm budget no ɛkɔ no kɔkyerɛkyerɛ mmarahyɛ badwafoɔ sɛ ɔman no a yɛbuiɛ no 9 months mu no sika sei na menyaayɛ ha na mede sika no kɔhyɛeɛ na ha so na sika no ɛbɛfiri aba. Now, Mama, this year has been an unprecedented year in the history of the global economy. You can say an unprecedented year. I have to say a year. If you are saying na, it's answer COVID-19 problem be about area world economy. Now, over World Bank, the IMF, or my project is say if you are seeing the countries, who can global economy bomwa. If you are seeing global deficits, no, a bicycle, I no called free commercial banks, no. If you are seeing Osha, Ubia betting excess, can close to about 19%. Means the is car a coin minimum pass, a buying deficit, close to 19%. A yesika a door soon ye. Na yam say one more deep economy moon some UK Hano. COVID-19 ya 3 months ya UK buying it means jessica over 110% from the commercial banks. It's always jessica UK buying kwaji kuma from commercial bank or the one maya is a dose of pa na yes I know near the banner say a free BB contraction of the economy. Yes, a buying sika also they call share it be a housing move or they call share roads move or they call share, it's also what trust sika no they boa or man for no canco. It's answer you may be a cosu no a basa a diamoche kakra a barrier so. Now, no one fear a they call the dia a friend recession na recession bar 2008. Recession ba we are seeing no problem na e ba ye no na nya asem ketwa this is say no ama penifo ni nyina deda omanya omu bibi no man o ma dwen se omu pese omu boa omu kuruma no obia na adwen se obebo modern se contraction no entimi ko ka abind to the extent say my development needs se fact is a provision of social infrastructure, healthcare, any side near money in a young cut your budget. Na intimate for Oyumi and my uncertainty, a baby 2-1 among a year part. It's a wash, so be a transfer, obey open economy from the lockdown, yeah, it's just said about me sustain no and quite new baby because yes, I know at the union baby and the back room. And yeah, dear, course, so Ghana, no, that's all shit Ghana, you in this, yeah, deficit, only about 11%, more and lesser than the projected world figure, no, IMF name, World Bank, day, and the Batum Ghana. And this is for your propaganda. No, we say, no, we can't say, yeah. We emphasize records, no. It's also a moment per records, no. The Biano, Omuntimi, with the Sanya man of the Tua, no, my Johnny. Economy Minister, Yebuno. Yet you saw in Komono, in the D, no one a dear, a buying, a jet, a wook, Timama, what can Foriata, Papa no, a whole brass, yeah. Any ahofama a woman crew enunchino or ye and then she say edical budget say or call no aquaji sika you bet me dia budget buying your mind home bra for the next year review now a friend say fiscal year no so we should want idea or yeah and say or the sika control parliament and him say parliament and man home quine and man intimi fasika no and Shagana Futumu, na from more of mine hobra. The no, and I may be Mugakra, na a T4 so, acting 70 years, no mutin 70 years, Ubia Behunse, and yen nada any a dubu of mine, a nucri any a dubu of mine. Na near yet de Mukra and say, a buy say, it's answer you ya a buyer, Ubia Genoa engine in Tino, a buy so a lunchy bibia. Walanchi Shika, over 100 billion. I'm telling you, 100 billion Ghana cedi. What can you do? Say coronavirus alleviation revitalization program. Let us say all the sectors of the economy, with Shika putting pa. Say your money economy name Tim Pansam. Yet the says coming Kushim, they are building the economy due to the devastating impact COVID-19 no. Ediabano, a buying a Tusikano 100 billion over 2 million, the number can Voyata, the core parliamentar, or the Kotu Jam. Now, OSHA initiative now, your kind, and so is that there, about time, the Mama over, about time, there's no one near my farm and no.
And yes, I'm
12. I say, I try the about a program. Because of a program, they say your programmer, about time, so we two see this crowd and the air Kodakwa. Or see any Jessica no fire day. Never could talk BBD. And no now buying I yet. Say, could be a law for 2 piano. And who here says you can't work for 2 now, Sebi, no mind, core and one no businesses say. It is how about town program, yeah, or so I know, or so they care for government or they care for Ghana for what they are transforming in society, no, near the transforming society. That's what this can be supportive businesses. But mama, now one lunch funds businesses now a work Ghana no a beer between Mexican movie. Now one multimedia bomb bra na Francis Ayem Fanipa, Nanifanya Juma, and this idea na Nina Akoso pepe. Now look for about that baby. Saa money in our cost and I'm so COVID-19 charge, you know. The catch them say, a electricity, any issue, no Ghana for use, you know. They say the next 3 months in India, Ghana for a buyer for Saka. Now, I buy 3 months in the Bible chair, you know. Ubia, bet me a year to me. So, talk electricity. We will say, I buy Sika no, Chiamano, captured on the bill. Na emuno kalankalan kakra bi wom bia no ho hwe emeki sure say the impact ebe ko Ghana for ho no Ghana for enyemu impact no no de ko to just 3 months yi de abai say say issue no ene nkani aka no for 3 months no say a commercial unit obi a oye adwuma a o use sa ne ma no issue no ne nkani ani nyina I say, so 50% reduction, no, with for commercial in ending June. So I name money now was I extending over the period of 3 months. So, Mama, so buy JDBC na o share say abai baby a oko fasika e dia akwa hye saa nneema nim ene ade ni nyinaa ne say e ade a ese nyinaa yebo abai so e wo ho sa na abai ya ade bi a ebi si wo Canada ebi si wo Ghana no na yo bra pani o ma pani kufo wo so no na saa nneema no hye ase say ECC. Now, first time in the history of our country, Mama, she said Ghana is the net exporter of electricity. She said Ghana, there is a ton of electricity, ma, if we are saying,
That
Ghana for because you keep solving your doom son to reckon. I can say, doom son, you are solving doom son. Na your electricity excess, your excess capacity kranwa itimi generate edi ko area si gaso na so si kan kitikiti na you from area si gaso no enu bi na say o bantampa na ya na nanomo ewo kukurufu wo nkurase no kukuru sika na ba de ye ne say ye tenase ya so me na we akosi ni die ni kwame ni die ni ti eno ebi na abanya ye no so drank it a abai di e wo saa yenkania no ye yi ho e wo wiase ama so no so si kanka kra e bemu no e no na abai si da bi so memfa ento hokwa me de bebo me ma ho bra na no e na saa nkofu ye wo kuru no adabia abai bibia wo mompe no mama MPP for ne Ghana for wo kuru no so nkai wo mo say abai we isika kanka wobo ano no working the 13.6 billion and this is get to mama and they are cleaning the banking sector na you say last time na me tie multimedia for no joy from for na ade no na omokofa ya no mfo yi bi ba and o say MPP for be dia ban no na banks na o Ghana no nguye na obi obeka sa bia no na so onim sika ho akonta no nim ewa amemu yesi busika ho eyi mama banks wo Ghana no ye commercial banks no obia at the end of the banking day no obia de sabi ne sika kakra wo no e de koto Bank of Ghana na all this kind of Bank of Ghana aban timi fa sika no mu bi no de abo no ho bra na time wa o be pass o ba beje no na aban etimi yisika ne bi e di ama wo mo nti san say we commercial bank nti e see o bibi your friend minimum capital requirement so sika o your banker wo say so your banker o jin krofo sika ma na wo ye susu ni na o jin krofo sika na obi ni arechemu wo mu say misika me dia ma no say 3 years me ba na ma ba beje misika na obetimi disika na mamia ene wan ni ntimi NBA bank wo Ghana
asamo
so and the friend what to say those fickle minds no only the operation of the banks into that ya wo mokasa omuso na bank bi enguye bank no enye no edan hyerepe na esi ho no
oh
mama enne ye kawa ba
oba time bia na okwaje sika bank ya bo no ni nyina ama news security bo
no ye kan wasem no se bank ye ka se banka enye dan hyerepe na esi ho no and the minimum capital requirement so a fall company dey ku for time o ye to say obema banks na ho Ghana na jina wo mo na hye na munti Ghana timinya offshore banking license na Barclays Bank of Ghana say o ma fa if it to question interchange ni function one e be dia talo oil no wono o munim say Barclays bi wo ho no mo a you say that she no kama say no mo di be pretty offshore accounts aman krofo a say America for year of returning so bi wo sika wa America no e na say no sika no wo American be fe bin ko to Ghana na me find investment saa banks no ena omapanikufoɔ enya saa license ne bi ewiase country kakra bi na wɔ saa license no Luxembourg na okɔ Liechtenstein wo Germany hɔ no mo ahye so ne Switzerland ahye so no na okɔ Dubai na okɔ Switzerland wo mo na wo saa license na omo di operate saa banks ne bi na ya share kakra na Ghana nya saa offshore license na yesu di be operate saa banks amankofo di omo sika isan se ahoya nti emails by no say there be some license no metwamu because MPP for the your drug business. Mama so one find the baby and the foundation free abedru sa amre.
Enya sanketwa o.
Ana amoja de pesimin community. You try sa offshore license o mampani do woni o man e kasa sisi a o ba be ka sure say enema e course wo Ghana eye ne ya ba akopa ne sa ade no asa aban ne ye no media na wo Ghana no o mo ko mampani kufo na so no mo musa ne say o man sa license bi a wo ko jiba Ghana for banks no say kana wo di be operate ama banks make me operate offshore accounts na ka wo UK fa mama na wo sika kakra bi wo ho a won fa to UK bank hayo o si we de ba ko to mi krom na ba nya bi ni otimi dia anye ni hu adwuma na time bi a me pe bia no otimi akwa akonya sa sika no e dia ye niema ni nyina JEMS na budget joma amai o mu twemu na o mu de banks o mu ye ni te se Ponzi scheme banks o mu di banks mu sika nyina ti se mbo 5 o'clock na Bank of Ghana cash no akoji ji sika nyina because sika ni bi ho no no akọ so aka se wa nam na kadompe no na Ghana ye sika na aka ye import cover sika na aka ye ho a ye be die ni ye na ye ni bibia we ho bia no na sika na aka only 2 weeks import cover ye elections we no na aka 1 week pe na Ghana sika ni wo ko mu nyina afa
UK's finest
yes ko mu sa ni ma no
Gabi sa ye cheche mu se ntu omu no mu
wo ntini ma si ye
ntini ma si ye
so enti eye sa no a ne beta ni se uko bank na uko akoje 10,000 cedis kra no a yes yi so ma bank ni notice this time no this 3 days kra sa na wako ebi e hono mu a yes ko 1 week na wa ba na e be call ya to saha micro finance for no na so omu kra de omu sika na de through corrupt means any omu nkofobia na chisa no bench capital mo ni asofufu bi a omu so omu atete banks na sha asemu ni ya na sika sika ni na ma panyi ni ya di sika wo bank cause on care ni ya na ye president won no mu yes ade no mu go banking sector ni na ti o ma panyi ba no se be bi na economy aye be build no banks na ye be build the economy no se ko ma ye wai banks no kuta ban so you can say London financial capital it will be Asia and say aban no was Africano but banks no the city of London and no a whole Sikano London stock mu sika egu a whole no aban pedia otimi di je ne ho adwuma na otimi di sika no ko hye baabi e hye so je ne tax and no your friend no say banking sector no a robust to spearhead the development agenda of the nation. And we think about spending the whooping sum of 13.6 billion for the 2 years. I look for banks for the banks now. First time after a long time, to say banks need to be declare profit. Commercial banks, me a great bank, we declare profit. So, my penny for focus on those times, no, or say banks, no, the very directed, we focus. Now, I corporate say a bank way, no, Tambia, Opa, Bemua, any Sifono. Banks now, Ghana, no, Ogu nimu Ghana for new history. Bank of Housing and Construction. Egui under President Rawlings. Banks ni national banks ni bebre. Tete pansamu. Tan kra. Oma panyi kufo ba be shemu kana. Na so ba no so de saade no. Abe shemu. And when you claim banking sector no a. See banks na abegina wo mo nan so. Ti mama, one more supervise the growth of the banking sector no. Say omo da so omo nan ti omo kasa. Ato force mo ene sa papa bi a friend se tepe no. Wo na wo ti bi ko IMF. Kosu ansa na ya mo bibi. De bia na o Mr. Bond. De bia 3 months bia okoji bond enye asemkese. Na Ghana for your own, you need be a friend of treasury bills so. Because you go for buy and now rolling this treasury bills. I'm mopping all the liquidity. The cash liquidity. Secure one go for some of the more brano. Okay, banks now the banks no more. And looking as you say, oh, Ghana contribute or banker. Mama, na and why you are saying the bill. Go why this kind of tata. Because I buy MGC Ghana. But Ghana, they never call and say, we introduce you treasury bills, no, not commercial banks, no, or we use car, no, we are called treasury bills. Yeah, it's 90 days. Cuba now you the interest not to so. Let's say, and we have banks. The Ghana banks, no, my own what is a susu collectors. Or we use car. Now, so, what GBB now, they business. No, can be a faso. No, confusion, but it's banks. Ogo jisika di akwa your business. Yes, if we japa di ebra. No, bino, papa, and I said, no, na be danya or di jano. No, the home cracker, akwa domo. Na, it's answer interest near high in tea. No more to me MP. I mean, I did it.
Oh, my,
yes, mama. Mama, I said, go one more than that. So, Nina, and say, budget or the kotu jano. Sika or the ball who today any fun na what create say your fan resource business no sika ekwe ni mu pa na enungu akotabu and or the kubu ekoto parliament no just say omo man a chance now for the year ending 2020 no on to spend about 11 billion for government projects and the government programs what she share say opese the year na Ghana esibe krabefe. But I look quite so no na and so over the weekend ye ba Sunday no and some more e ka ho e fa e kwan o fa so a o chiche sika ni mu ene kwan o fa so a o ko fa sika ni die free ha no so say die sika ni say kitu we so no e ho ye so the bo ho bra no ho ye say ye nyina ye tu aguru sa no o say ade fa no revenue kwan be fa so e bi nya revenue ni nyina no obeying making sure say obey na ye the crowd we say communication top stars and the worker and one them no aban so wateso free enya some bit from 9% no much more they about 5%, which is very very great. Nti mama and so me know there na so can say if you no so machine nti no major amount na Sunday no back for MPPR no the care bia officer ye the social bia na ye dia social ye boy aban abaso na ye bo Ghana fo a omo akoma pa na aban no ago pesa aban the social no ye bo omo nyina abaso na aban sika oso ohwe time of COVID-19 no bae na NDC for the propaganda no so the woman say obia o spending it for see this crowd will be home now feeding it back 6,000 Kano ASM.
I asked him to
no munjan to no mudi and foul munko baby, mama. The official government one, one can tell say my family you say a year, John Mahama. Now,
and one of Master Richard, the Babo Amayano. Oma Farouk, yada say, Namisha, a patch Sunday, MPP hour. You better won't come. Ete for Omar Farouk and I attending Kano. Yera Mahmoud ba umienu yake to wa pesa ne bra. Small enya asem getwa o ma ida se afe na je se hey agro no ebe so fireman ma so register akode yon petrol chairman wadu ada da walande